Tim Bigham of Delta Derivatives joins me now. We have a lot to get to, starting with Alibaba. Lots of options action. What is the options market predicting about Alibaba?
Yeah, and I think it kind of predicting that maybe we've seen the worst of it for Baba, at least short term, that kind of sell-off that brought it down below 180, maybe at least a short-term low. I'm kind of following along with the bullish option paper out there, selling some out of the money put spreads, so 177.5, 50, 175 put spread out in April. Just looking to be a buyer if the stock drops about another 4% from here, collecting some decent option premium, implied vol still above the 50% level.
So you would not mind owning Baba at that lower price?
Exactly right. Not really a buyer here, but if it does drop back down to those lows, would jump in at that point.
Let's take a look at another stock. This one surprised me, Herbalife. It's been very active, so to speak. So why pick this one now?
Yeah, basically all that could go well for Herbalife is pretty much reflected in the stock. Bill Ackman famously is out, took about $1 billion hit. He had the stock split, earnings came out, name change, Dutch auction, Citigroup upped it, stock's up 40-some%.
He was shorting, correct?
He was shorting, took a big hit. Carl Icahn, conversely, took a long position. That Dutch auction may be the way for Carl Icahn to exit. If that's the case, I think the stock will come down sharply. So I just kind of like it from the contrarian perspective, looking out to the April 95 puts at the monies, buying them fairly cheaply, looking for the stock to pull back somewhere here along the way.
Because you think it's gone too far too fast?
Too far too fast, and I think, certainly a 5% pullback, given a 40% rally just this year, certainly wouldn't be unexpected.
And one last stock to get to, PFG. Principal Financial Group.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is really a sleepy trader, but saw a couple days ago big volume in the out of the money July 70 calls, over 4,000 traded. More importantly, that implied vol jumped from 21 up to 24. So I'm kind of following along with that call buyer, selling those calls, hedging by selling some comparatively expensive puts, just looking for that vol to realign and leaning a little bullishly along with that big call paper.
Well, thanks for all of those trades today.
You bet, Andrew.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.